Hello everyone. If you are coming to UK for work or for study, at some point of time you will be definitely requiring a car either to go to office or even go to your university or college. When you are going to have a car, definitely you will get an insurance or you need to have an insurance. This video is about UK insurance details. What are the important things you need to know about UK car insurance? This is definitely useful for new to UK car owners or you are going to buy a new insurance in UK. Welcome to channel Sundar Ayappan. Please click the subscribe button below and also the bell icon. When I put a new video, you will get a notification. Please like and comment this video. Your likes and comments really help me to put new videos on various topics. Let's get into the video. So as I mentioned, at some point of time, if you are in UK for work or for study, you will get a car, and then to have a car, you need to have an insurance. Car insurance is mandatory if you want to drive the car in UK. If you don't have insurance and then you drive a car, if you are caught by the police, definitely you will be fined and then you will be having penalty points in your driving license, which will increase your future insurance premiums. So that you need to keep in mind. This insurance cost will be high when you are taking the insurance for the first time in UK, or for a young person who is just passed the car driving test and then he is going to get insurance. Then the cost of car insurance will be definitely high, irrespective of any car you own, even a very low aged car and then low price car. Still the young person are considered highly risky, and then the insurance company will charge you more. You are first time driver in UK, but you already know driving in India, that doesn't considered here. So you have just passed the UK driving test and then you are going to buy a car. After that, what are things you need to consider is every car you buy, it's a new or a used car, definitely they'll have a insurance band. Based on the insurance band, you will roughly know what will be the cost of your insurance per year. If the insurance band for the car is like 11B, 13 or 14, 11A, 13B or 11C, like this, there are a lot of bands. The insurance body will decide whenever a new car comes, they will decide the band, that is the insurance band for the car that stays for that car for a long period of time. On top of it, you have a lot of other criteria which decides the insurance cost for you. The new car and then the high price car and then the high band insurance band, then definitely the insurance price will increase. The next thing is the price of the car also is deciding the insurance cost. So in UK, the car insurance is on the driver plus the car, not like India in some other countries where the car will have the insurance and anyone can drive the car. But in UK, the car driver is attached to the car. So anyone who is the owner of the car will need to have a insurance. You can pay the insurance by full amount, that is for the 12 months you can pay in single installment or fully at a single payment, or you can pay at monthly installments. Some companies gives free and interest free monthly installments like Direct Line or Aviva, but you need to check what is the current condition. But some companies will allow you for monthly installments, but they will charge interest. If you pay £1,200 per year as a one-time payment, but if you split that into 12 months, you might end up with £1,500. So that will be the difference. There will be interest added to the insurance when you pay by monthly. In UK, you have two type of insurance. One is the comprehensive insurance, other is third party insurance. So most of the people will go for comprehensive insurance, and then very few go for third party insurance. But third party insurance is very negligible, or I would say 1 or 2% people still buy third party insurance. Third party insurance nothing but your car and you are not insured. Only the person who is impacted by the accident, that the other person will be kind of paid by your insurance. So that's a third party. Comprehensive means it consists of lot of added features. Comprehensive insurance, most of people go for comprehensive insurance. So in the comprehensive insurance, you will be having your premium, and then on top of it you have a lot of other features. You have a car insurance, that's just a car. So the car, you will enter the car details, you just enter the registration details of the car, then the insurance company will pick up the details of the car from the government website, DVLA, and then it will display, okay, then they will ask when you have bought the car and then what is the price of the car, and then they will ask how much mileage you are going to drive per year. So you can roughly calculate how much mileage you are going to drive. Some people will say that 10,000 miles. Roughly, its industry standard is 1,000 miles per month. That's the calculation. But there are a lot of people who drive less than that. In my case, I have driven only 6,000 miles or close to 7,000 miles. And during the pandemic, it even not crossed 2,000 miles, even though my insurance was for 5,000 miles. So it doesn't make a difference. Even though you get a 5,000 miles in your insurance, but if you drive only 4,000 miles, they're not going to reduce your insurance price. But if you driven 5,000 miles and the insurance company came to know that it's above 5,000 miles, then they will charge you more for why you have driven more than what agreed in insurance. So you need to make sure you have a kind of close to the actual usage. If you are daily going to commute to your workplace, then you need to have more mileage per year you need to request while applying for the insurance. So less the mileage, less the risk, then the price will come down. That's one sticking point. And then they will ask for your profession. I will put a separate video on tips and tricks how to reduce your insurance cost by following few tips which I am doing for the past 10 years in UK in getting the insurance renewal during the insurance renewals. If I put that in this video, it will take another 30 minutes. I don't want to put you hold on this video for that. But if you are new to UK, getting the first time insurance in UK, definitely the tips and tricks will not help you, because that will add on top of every renewal only, not on the first year. I mentioned about comprehensive insurance. You have a insurance premium for your car. On top of the comprehensive premium, insurance premium, you will have breakdown cover. Breakdown cover is nothing but anything the car has not starting, or the battery is flat, the tire is punctured. Those things, they will come for breakdown assistance. That's one thing. And then road assistance is another thing. If something accident happens, then they will come and pick you from their place with another car. And also if the car break down without any accident, for example some engine problem, or even you not fulfilled the petrol fully, so it has stopped without fuel, so those kind of things will be covered by road assistance. So you need to add on top of the normal insurance price. That's a breakdown assistance. And then personal injury cover is on top of the comprehensive insurance premium. Is just if something happens while accident, you are injured, you can take a cover of 50,000 pounds or 10,000 pounds to cover your expenses, medical expenses. That's personal injury cover. Then legal cover is added on top of it. Legal cover is nothing but if someone is suing you, that is making a case, putting a case against you for the accident, then you can ask the insurance company to send lawyers, and then they will kind of face the court against you, or on behalf of you. So that's the legal cover. Courtesy car is if the car is got accident and then it need to be repaired in the garage. The garage will take another 1 week time. During the 1 week time, you want to use your car for going to office or to drop your kid to school. In that period, until your car is repaired and then came back to home or given back to home, you will given a courtesy car where you can use during the period of when your car is under repair. Breakdown assistance or road assistance, breakdown cover plus legal cover, personal injury, and then the courtesy car. These are all four are additional things which added on top of. You can remove this and then you can buy separately as well. So these are all added on top of your comprehensive insurance premium. If you are a young person, you just pass the driving test. If you go on your own and get an insurance, it will be definitely at least 2,000 pounds per year. So what they will do is, the young person's any relative, maybe mother, sister, or elder sister, or father, they can add the young person as a named driver into his main insurance cover. So the father will be the main person. You can add the young person as a named driver. In this case, what will happen is, if the father is paying 500 pounds per year, adding the young person into the insurance will increase the insurance by, for example, 1,000 pounds. But if the young person on his own gets a separate insurance, it will be 2,000 pounds. This is a rough figure, but it will be definitely a cost savings. If you add a young person into an existing experienced person insurance, the insurance price will come down. So that's one thing you can add when you want to reduce your insurance for a young person. But you cannot do for a new to UK person. If you don't know anyone already in UK, you cannot do that. But if you know someone who can add your name, but the both can drive only the one car, not that your name is added into another person as a name driver, but you can drive some other car. No, you can only drive that car. That's another thing you need to know. Also in UK, you cannot let others to drive your car without your permission. If something happens, then your insurance will not pay. So always you need to say or make sure you authorize even your wife or your husband to drive your car. Your husband and the wife can drive your car even though if the name is not in the insurance. They can drive as long as you have permitted them to drive the car. The points which I mentioned are all the critical points you need to know as a new person to UK who are getting the insurance for the first time. As I mentioned in the start of the video, I will put a separate video on tips and tricks to get the price of insurance down when during the renewal. Will be the next video or soon coming soon that video. Hope you like this video. This video will be definitely helpful for new to UK students or tier 2 worker people or anyone who are coming to UK for a long time, and then they will definitely want to drive a car. Then this insurance will be helpful. We'll see in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.